Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your IIFL mortgage account. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser on your PC or any kind of browser that you have. Now, open Google and in the Google search bar, search for IIFL Mortgage Login. Click on the second link, which is the official page of IIFL, and then it will lead you to the login portal where you must write your username, your password, and you can hit the login button and log in to your IIFL mortgage account. If you want to reset your password, click on Reset Password. It will ask you your username or your email address. Write down your username or email address, click on Submit, and the password reset link will be sent to your mail, and you can click on the link and reset your password easily. So this was a video on how you can log into your IIFL account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.